Okay, today we are going to derive the expression for Fermi energy level EF. So this topic comes under the semiconductor physics. So already we have derived the density of electrons, density of holes, and then the intrinsic carrier concentration with the help of N and P values. So now we are going to derive this equation also with the help of N and P value. N is nothing but density of electrons and then P is the density of holes. So before that, what is semiconductor?
Semiconductor is a material partially conduct electricity and is usually in many electronic devices.
Yes, it is nothing but a partial conductor. We define panna, or it has the electrical conductivity between conductor and insulator, and it can be acted as an insulator at 0 Kelvin. So temperature increase பண்ணாத என்ன conductivity அப்படிங்கிறது semiconductor ல increase ஆகும். Then what is the bandgap of the semiconductor? That is one important term, bandgap.
Energy gap between valence band and the conduction.
The gap between the valence and conduction band is called the energy gap between the semiconductor. We define control. Next, properties of semiconductor.
Conducts electricity partially. Conductivity increases with temperature. Current flows through electrons and holes. Acts as insulator at low temperature. It is used in devices like diodes and transistors.
Very good. It has many applications in diodes and electric circuits, and that the charge carriers and the current density that is based on the density of electrons and holes. That is the majority charge carriers. So now we derive the value of EF. So first we should write down the N value. N is nothing but density of electrons. What is the value of N? 2 into 2 me star by kb by h square whole power 3 by 2 e power ef minus ec by k. So this is nothing but density of electrons in conduction band, and then density of holes in valence band. That is both are equal. That is density of electrons and density of holes are equal in an intrinsic semiconductor. So that can be written as 2 into 2mh. So h indicates the holes and by kb by h square whole power 3 by 2 e power what is ev minus ef by kb. So from this we can calculate ef. So for that we are taking n is equal to p. Okay, என்ன பண்றோம் represent பண்றோம். So what is n? 2 into 2me star by kb by h square whole power 3 by 2 e power ef minus ec by kb. So that is equal to 2 into 2mh star by kb by h square whole power 3 by 2 e power ev minus ef by k. So now we have to simplify this equation so that we can cancel the common terms. What are the common terms? 2 by kb by h square whole power 3 by 2 is a common term. So by neglecting this, we can write left side me star whole power 3 by 2 e power ef minus ec by kb. In right side m star whole power 3 by 2. So e power ev minus ef by k. Okay. So next we have to combine the exponential term on left side. Okay. So we can write e power ef minus ec by kb because we have to find out the value of ef. Okay. So divided by e power ev minus ef by k. So in right hand side we have m star by me star whole power 3 by 2. Okay. So star whole power 3 by 2. So in next step we can plug the EF term. So E power 2 EF minus EC minus EB by KT is equal to M star by ME star whole power 3 by 2. So to find the EF value, we have to remove this exponential term. So how we can remove this exponential? Take log on both sides. So 2 EF minus EC plus EB by KT. KT is a common term. In right side, this power term becomes as a product by taking log. So log of M star by ME star. Okay. So we have to find out the EF value. So this term can be moved to the right side. Okay, 3 by 2 log of M star by ME star plus EC plus EB by K. Okay. So now we have to find out the value of EF alone. Then we have to product this cross multiply with 2 by KT on right side. So EF is equal to 2 by KT now. KT by 2 into 3 by 2 log of M star by ME star plus EC plus EB by 2. So if we multiply with KT by 2 means it becomes like a EC plus EB by 2. Yeah. So in next step, if we take ME star is equal to M star means so log of M star and M star this become log 1. So log 1 or value is 0. So finally EF is nothing but